What if there was a place where deadlines disappeared, where the ocean moved slower, and where life wasn't measured by the clock, but by the rhythm of the sea? Welcome to Mauritius, an island in the Indian Ocean so beautiful that travelers often describe it with the same phrase. Time simply stops here. Mauritius lies nearly 2,000 kilometers off Africa's eastern coast. At first glance, it appears as nothing more than a tiny speck in the vast Indian Ocean. Yet this small island nation has captivated explorers, sailors, and dreamers for centuries. The island emerged millions of years ago from volcanic eruptions beneath the ocean floor. What remains today is a landscape sculpted by fire and transformed by time. Ancient volcanic peaks rise dramatically from lush forests. Waterfalls plunge into hidden valleys, and a brilliant coral reef surrounds much of the island like nature's own protective wall. The result is one of the most stunning tropical environments on Earth. But beauty is only the beginning. In Mauritius, nature seems determined to display every color imaginable. The lagoons glow in shades of turquoise and sapphire. Dense forests stretch across emerald mountains. Golden beaches curve around the coastline, and in one remarkable location, the earth itself becomes a rainbow. This is the Seven-Colored Earths, a geological wonder where volcanic sands naturally separate into distinct colors: red, purple, blue, brown, yellow, orange, and green. Scientists can explain how it formed, but standing before it feels almost magical, as if nature decided to paint a masterpiece and leave it unfinished. Just a short distance away, waterfalls crash into ancient forests. Giant cliffs overlook endless ocean horizons. And every sinana, kaya namai sizaru, minna, aristicuadin and stikuantofter medica. Mauritius doesn't merely offer scenery. It creates moments that stay with you forever. Long before luxury resorts and tourists arrived, Mauritius was home to one of history's most famous birds, the dodo. Unable to fly and unfamiliar with predators, the dodo evolved peacefully on the island for thousands of years. Then humans arrived. Within less than a century, the bird vanished forever. The dodo became one of the world's first recorded human-caused extinctions. Today, it serves as a powerful symbol, not only of Mauritius, but of humanity's impact on nature. Yet the island has learned from its past. Conservation efforts now protect many endangered species and ecosystems. The dodo may be gone, but its legacy continues to shape the island's future. One of the most remarkable things about Mauritius cannot be seen from a drone. It is found in its people. Few places on Earth have blended cultures as successfully. The population traces its roots to India, Africa, Europe, and China. Different religions coexist peacefully. Languages mix naturally. Traditions intertwine. Walk through a Mauritian town, and you'll hear multiple languages spoken in a single conversation. Taste a single meal and experience influences from several continents. A Hindu temple may stand near a church. A mosque may share the skyline with colonial architecture. Together, these cultures have created a unique identity that belongs entirely to Mauritius. An identity built not on division, but on harmony. Beneath the surface lies another Mauritius, a hidden world of coral gardens and marine life. The island's surrounding reef acts as a natural shield, calming the waves and creating crystal-clear lagoons. Inside these waters swim hundreds of species of fish. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the currents. Colorful corals create underwater cities. For divers and snorkelers, Mauritius is paradise. Visibility can stretch for dozens of meters. Sunlight dances through the water, and every dive feels like entering a living aquarium. It is a reminder that some of the island's greatest treasures remain unseen. Perhaps nowhere is Mauritius more mysterious than its most famous natural illusion, the underwater waterfall. From above, it appears as if an enormous waterfall is plunging into the depths of the ocean. Millions of people have seen the photographs. Many assume it is real. But the truth is even more fascinating. The waterfall doesn't actually exist. What we're seeing is an optical illusion created by sand and sediment moving across the ocean floor. The effect is so convincing that it looks like the sea itself is falling into a giant abyss. It is one of the most extraordinary visual phenomena on Earth, proof that nature can still surprise us. So why do visitors say that time stops in Mauritius? The answer isn't found in any attraction. It isn't a beach, or a mountain, or a resort. It's a feeling. Modern life moves fast. Notifications, meetings, deadlines, constant noise. But Mauritius operates differently. The mornings begin with gentle ocean breezes. The afternoons drift by beneath swaying palms. The evenings end with sunsets that seem to last forever. Hours lose their urgency. Days become memories. And for a brief moment, people remember what it feels like to simply exist. Not to rush, not to chase, just to be. Like many island nations, Mauritius faces challenges: climate change, coral reef degradation, rising sea levels, growing tourism pressures. Protecting paradise requires constant effort. Across the island, conservation groups and local communities are working to preserve what makes Mauritius special. Their mission is simple: ensure future generations can experience the same beauty that exists today. Because paradise is not something that can be taken for granted. It must be protected. Mauritius is often described as a destination, but perhaps that misses the point. It's not merely a place to visit, it's a place to pause, to breathe, to reconnect with nature, and to remember that life doesn't always have to move at full speed. In a world obsessed with time, Mauritius offers something increasingly rare, a chance to forget about it. For a little while, time stops. And that's exactly why people fall in love with this island.